Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. First of all, click on Start Lab. Right click and open incognito window. Now here, click on I understand. Now after that, click on I agree and continue, and just simply activate the Cloud Shell. Click on this to activate the Cloud Shell. Remove the unwanted pop-ups from here. Click on continue and click on authorize. Now let me increase the text size. Now in the description box of this video, I've shared one repository. You have to just select it from here, paste it, hit enter. Now wait for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, you will be able to complete the lab. So finally, after waiting for 5 to 6 minutes, all the things are done. Now simply come to the lab instruction and let's try to check the score. So here you can clearly see we have got the full score. Just refresh the browser. Check again. Now here if you're getting fortune error, so in that case just come over here to task number 10 and from here just copy it again and let's try to paste over here. So do not worry about it. Just wait for some more time. Do one thing, come to task number 7. From here just copy it, change the directory, come to task number 10. Again just run first command, now second command, third. So here both the things are created. Now let's add it. Okay, now let's see whether we are able to get the score or not. Just wait for some time. Just wait for some time and try to check the score again and again after following that thing which I completed. Now let's end the lab, and that's how we completed the lab. To like the video and subscribe.